Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb in your shifter changer. Light bulb's going to be shining from here and light up this area. Alright, first things first, we are going to take off the shift knob here. Turn it counterclockwise. Slide it off, and you're going to want to grab these two pieces here. All you need to do is grab and pull. Should be able to slide out. Make sure that your pin tabs are still there. Same thing on this side. There you are. And we want to make sure that this compartment door here is tilted up. Let's get some light in here. And now we're going to take off this panel here. Now, it's pretty easy. All you do is you grab your fingers in here. You can also grab a tool and apply in here in the crevices here, but I just recommend you just grabbing your fingers and getting in here and pulling up. There should be a click there. And just be careful, there's two tabs that are slid under this platform here. So we want to pull it out, we don't want to pull it up. So we're going to actually pull up on this side, make sure all the tabs are out, and now we're going to slide out, just like that. And now you'll have full access to the bulb right here. I'm just going to take this off, just give me a second. You don't have to do this. Alright, now I got this piece away. You don't need to do what I just did. I'm just doing it so that you're able to see a lot better here. So right here is your bulb. It's quite small. It's 2721 size bulb. And you're gonna take some tweezers. I have needle-nose-plyers. They're just a little more grippier, more durable. And you're just gonna grab the sides and you're just gonna wiggle it out while pushing out. And there's your old bulb right there. Now, this bulb is still fine. I'm actually gonna use it again. I'm gonna put it back in the tweezers. And right where you pulled out, put your new bulb in. Make sure you find the hole. And just like that, it's in. After reviewing that last footage, I realized that my hands was blocking your view, so I have the camera up nice and close. So again, grab your tweezers. We're gonna grab the sides. And we're just gonna wiggle it out, and we're gonna pull out. Just like that. We got our LEDs, and same thing, we're just gonna plug it back in. So I got it held there, and we're gonna stick it in the socket, making sure I have everything lined up. And there you go. So I have the bulbs installed there, and I was confused why it wasn't turning on because I just tested the bulb out and it worked fine. I just realized I turned off my headlights. So if we switch this back on, And there it is. It's back on, and we switch it off. Turns off. I learned something today. Now that I'm not losing my mind, and we have a brand new bulb in, we'll get all the trim back together. So I used to have a halogen bulb in this one, and I decided that I wanted some LEDs. And man, the LEDs, they look fantastic on this vehicle. I totally recommend to switch over from your halogen bulbs to your LED bulbs. Alright, so I'm just gonna plug that back in. So they are on this. I'll plug it to show you. So on here, you'll have these two pieces here. We want to slide those two in first. And then we have these yellow pieces here. Those will click in next. And then after, we'll have these two tabs here and these two tabs as well. They'll be inserted all together. Just be careful if you have a broken tab like I do right here. Your trim isn't going to fit properly, so make sure that everything's aligned and it's going to be able to fit in the grooves in your shifter assembly. So we are going to put this in. We're going to put the shifter in here. Then we're going to put those two end pieces in there, and you'll feel click. And then we're going to press down on that section there. And now the final part is this part, and clicks in just like that. And look at that. You can see here that you have some parking, reverse, neutral, drive, third gear, second gear, lower gear. Super nice and brightly lit up. You wouldn't be able to have it this bright in with a halogen bulb. So now we are going to close this back down. We're going to take our two side pieces here. Make sure you got you're installing it on the right side. So I'm going to start with the right one. So we want this flat part on the right. And all you need to do is push it like that. Nice clicky sound. And same thing on this side. You want it on the right side. Sorry, I messed up. You want this flat side on the left side, and you want this flat side on the right side for the left side. Too many lefts and rights. And you can just push that back in. And last part is your shift knob. Insert it, and you twist it clockwise until it is nice and tight. Now you have some nice bright LED lights shining through your shifter, and it looks fantastic. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.